Hello, let's talk about variables. There's something you're going to learn about if you're in math class or science class. So here's a variable I'm sure you're all familiar with from simple algebra. So we got here x and y. Okay, so 1 plus x equals 9, 2 plus y equals 15. So these variables, they're pretty easy to solve. We know here x equals 8 and y equals 13. Okay, but we could also use variables for science projects here. So let's say we wanted to answer a question. Is sugar fattening? Okay, will sugar make you fatter? Well, the way we'll do this is we'll set up two groups of people, okay? We'll have one that's a control group. We'll just have them eat normally. Just have what you normally eat. And then we'll have what's called the experimental group. And this one, we put in a variable. Okay, we tell them, eat 100 grams of extra sugar each day. Okay, so we do this experiment for a few weeks or months. Control group, just eating normally. Experimental group is eating an extra 100 grams of sugar each day. All right, so before we start the experiment, we check their weight. Our control group started at 80 kilograms, and they finished at 80 kilograms. This is real simple. Just say there's no change, okay? But our experimental group, they started at 80 kilograms, and they finished at 85 kilograms. Oh no, they gained 5 kilograms because they were eating 100 grams of extra sugar each day. Now if you saw my correlation video, you know it's not always correlation is causation, but this is a pretty strong piece of evidence that sugar is probably fattening, because we only had one variable here. We had people eating normally, we had people eating extra sugar, and the control group stayed the same weight. The experimental group gained 5 kilograms. So, when you're doing a good experiment, it's best to have just one variable, because if you have two variables, then it's hard to figure out what's causing the difference. But this is a good experiment. It has one variable, and we see that it caused people to gain weight. So if this experiment was correct, we'd tell people, try to eat less sugar. And leave a comment. Do you like sugar? And do you brush your teeth afterwards? That's always a good idea. Hope you're all having a good day. Don't forget to give us a thumb up and please subscribe. Bye-bye.